Hey friends, if you wish to save a PowerPoint presentation onto your desktop, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for PowerPoint in the Windows search bar and go to PowerPoint. You can create a presentation. Let's say I'll create this test presentation right now. Okay, now we have a test presentation and all. To save it to the desktop, click on File. Now select Save As. Don't click on Save because if you click on Save, it will save the current file, but you need to click on Save As so that you can select the location. Click on Browse. Now go to Desktop. Make sure that the location is desktop here. Okay, give it a name. Okay, so I will give the name as Test 2 or Test 1. Okay, so I will write it as Test 2. Okay, now as for the save as type, it could be a PowerPoint presentation, it can be a PDF, it can be an MPEG for video, but the default presentation type, the default PPT type is PowerPoint presentation or PPT. So click on save. Done. Now to open it, you can go to the desktop and you'll find the test presentation here. Double click on it and you are back to the test presentation. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.